as people age, ladies and gentlemen, mga arthritis warriors, pag tumatanda na po yung mga patients or mga relatives natin, meron kasing tinatawag na wear and tear phenomenon. Yung tinatawag na wear and tear na to means that yung cartilage, I'll show you a normal knee. Ito po yung normal na tuhod po. So ito po yung thigh bone. So ito po yung nasa taas. And ito po yung buto sa baba. Ito po yung tuhod. This is actually the knee. Maganda pa po yung cartilage ng knee. You can see that. This is the cartilage. Ito po meniscus. Ito po yung cartilage ulit. Thigh bone po ito yung nasa taas. And ito po yung nasa baba. Oh, maganda. So, this is a normal knee. But as we age, mag-wear and tear kasi parang kotse. Just like a car that is running all the time yung kotse, the wheels do not get thicker po. Hindi kumakapal yung ligid o yung gulong ng kotse. It actually gets thinner through time, and that is the wear and tear that I want to talk to you about.